Hello guys, how are you? This is Abby, and in this video I will show you how you can use Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. So let's just start the video. Well, you just take a look at this worksheet. Okay, you'll see that I've got a list of people who have paid some money right here. So if I wanted to find how much an individual person has paid in a different cell, how do I do that? Well, there is actually a special function in Excel that is called Vlookup. Well, I could use that function, okay, to find how much money, okay, a particular person has paid. Say if I wanted to find out how much money Alex has paid, so all I have to do is to just write the name of Alex, alright, and on his right in this cell, okay, I need to use Vlookup. So I just click on it and I get this dialog box. So in this dialog box I've got 4 options. Okay, I need to fill up each and every one of these options. The first option is the lookup value. So which value I want to look up. So I want to look up the value of Alex, right? So I need to click on this one. So this gap has been filled up, and I go to the next one, table array. So I need to choose a table array, okay, where this value exists. I need to find how much money Alex has paid, right? So where this amount has been given, this is the list where this amount has been given, right? So I need to choose the whole of this list, this table array. Then after that, okay, I need to fill up this gap, the column index number. So the column index number is the column, okay, which includes our value. So this is the column, right? And the number is 2 because this is the number 2 column, right? This is number 1, this is number 2. So I need to put number 2 right here. And last but not the least, this gap will either take 0 or 1. We're going to give 0. So if I click on OK, then I'm going to get the value, right? $344. Alex has paid $344. So let's just look at another one. Let's see how much money Gary has paid. So I write the name of Gary, and I want to find out how much money he has paid. So just like before, I need to click on it and choose Vlookup, and I need to provide the lookup value, so which is Gary, right? L8, cell number L8, table array. This is the table array, right? I choose this table array. After that, okay, I need to input the column number, which is 2, and this one has to be 0. Let's see how much he has paid. $566. So you see, Vlookup is very user friendly and it's very easy tool to find out how much money. I mean, if you want to find out, okay, I mean any data from a list, and you can easily find it through the use of Vlookup. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is all I wanted to show in this tutorial, and hope you're gonna watch my further videos in the future. Thank you.